Okay, so I know you were interested in the second gen Camaro, but if you are building something in LSLT, this is an 82, and it is a roller. It has a roll cage. It currently has just a small block in there for fitting. But this was a 1060 car with a big block at one point. And it's got, like I said, roll cage. Got a couple seats in there. This is a dual gate shifter. I've got the drive shaft. It's got a fuel cell, but it doesn't have a fuel pump in here right now. I've got the small block headers for it. Those don't have to go with it, but it has a Moser 12 bolt, nothing in it at this time, and a BMR Torque Arm Suspension. So this thing did rip once upon a time. This would be a little bit cheaper than the second gen, but it'd also be lighter too. This is a Monte Carlo. That's not for sale, but this is also an option.